Mama chicken, what are you doing with your babies out? Huh? You're supposed to keep them in the safe area. Still have them all, but Mom decided to fly out and call for the babies, and so here they all are, outside the protection of a fence. But Mom decided to, so maybe it's time. She's also pecking the crap out of everybody that gets close to him still, so I guess that's good. Except for she pecked a big goose who thought he could fight back, but apparently he couldn't. And then he ran to me and told on her. Didn't you, Tom? Where'd he go?